Rolls-Royce Aerospace headquarters is in Derby City, England. The roar of the engine enveloped around 1,000 workers there. One of them is the Trent XWB engine, a turbofan jet engine that drives the Airbus A350XWB. This machine is on planes such as Qatar Airways, Singapore Airlines to Lufthansa. There are more than 1,800 Trent XWB machines operating or ordered worldwide. The Trent XWB engine consists of 8 modules or main components. 6 of the 8 modules were made in Derby and the other 2 were from suppliers. The testing room might be the most impressive part of Rolls-Royce Aerospace. The room was very spacious and long with giant facilities that held the engine in place. The Rolls-Royce Aerospace facility is indeed full of skilled workers. There are machines, but human power is more reliable and not a robot. One step in this photo is to combine the combustor section into the intercase. Intercase is a machine with the passing shaft connected to a gearbox. When the engine is ready to operate, it will be separated, divided in half via a hydraulic engine. They will be taken to Airbus headquarters in Toulouse in France and ready to become part of the Airbus A350XWB.